You're a parent, you'd do anything to spare your child from embarrassment.
Just like a dad in Utah who came to the rescue of his daughter, and Audrey Castrano is joining us right now to explain what that daddy did.
Yeah, well, when this dad learned his daughter had an accident at school, he couldn't let her go it alone. Brokenhearted, he got the call that his kindergartner Valerie had to be picked up. But Ben Swartz knew what he had to do, so when he showed up, he sported his own accident. When he got to the office, he asked his daughter if he could borrow her backpack to cover it up. Well, turning that frown upside down on Valerie's face, Swartz's older daughter posted the story to Twitter, and it's since gone viral. The MFC Truth tweeting, "This is called being a great father. I did the same thing before." Trevor Latta posted this meme saying he pulled a Billy Madison. Really good movie. According to Mashable, Big Sister says their dad helped Valerie learn to laugh about situations in life. His dad deserves a gold star because apparently he's a father of 11 kids, many of them fosters, and they are adopting 4 of them this week. Needless to say, they all got a really great dad.
So he's got a lot of practice.
Yes, exactly. So he knew exactly what to do.
I like the Billy Madison reference.
Yes.
You ain't cool unless you pee your pants.
Yes, that was perfect.